Greetings everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, and what a Monday it is. Came out during the day at my work and found this in my tire. Yes, these tires are not that old, probably about a year old. The tire was completely flat, flatter than a pancake. But I was able to get some fix a flat, put it in the tire, get some air in there, and I was able to get home. So now I'm going to fix it, hopefully for good. I hate to see throwing this good tire away. So there is some air in the tire. I will get the air out, and then I'll film me trying to pull whatever this is in my tire. So hang tight, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got most of the air out. Now it's time to see what's in here. Just use a needle nose here. That's weird. Chunks of steel. Well, this one is a little bit deeper. That was it. Looks like some steel fragments there. Doesn't take much. Hopefully I'm able to fix that tire. It's pretty big, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, I'm gonna go get the stuff to fix it, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I cleaned this out. I cleaned it out with this tool here, kind of reamed it out, and now I'm ready to plug it. So I'm going to add a little bit of rubber cement or whatever that they have here, and I got this already hooked up. So I'm going to add a little rubber cement to this too, just to help it along. There. Just bear with me, I'm trying to do this one-handed while holding a camera. And it goes. That's really tight. Holy cow. Wow. Hang on a second, I gotta shut you off so I can do this two-handed. There, I was able to do it. Took a little effort, but I was able to do it. So I'm gonna squirt a little bit more rubber cement in there and let that set up for a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little Fix-A-Flat in there to give it some added protection, and then fill it up, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it does the trick. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the tire up to 37 pounds. Now I'm just going to snip these. Gooiness. I don't see any bubbling. Looks like it's doing pretty good there. And what I did is I got the Slime tire repair kit. It includes the reamer and the plug, and then some plugs, and then some rubber cement. So we'll see how this does. I'm going to put it on the vehicle and drive it around a little bit, and I'll get back with you in just a little bit. Okay, after about an hour, after eating some nice meatloaf and some sweet potatoes, I came out here to see, and it looks like it's holding air. So we are going to check it with this tester. I pumped it up to about 37 pounds when I put it on the back on the vehicle. and it's down 36.5, so basically about a half a pound, which that I'm not even going to worry about. I'll look at it tomorrow and see if this problem is fixed. I believe it is, so I'm happy. Put the cap back on. All right. Well, I appreciate everyone watching, and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I will have some more videos coming out. In fact, I had bought a log splitter, but I need to take it out and put it together, and I'll be showing you that in the next coming videos, splitting wood and stuff like that. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.